Today's story brings us to ancient Africa. This story is inspired by the rich oral traditions and wisdom of ancient African cultures. It aims to convey the essence of survival skills and the interconnectedness between humans and nature. In the heart of the vast African savanna lived a tribe known for their exceptional survival skills. They had endured the harshest of conditions and passed down their wisdom through generations. Among them was a young boy named Kwame, eager to learn the secrets of survival. One day Kwame approached his grandfather Gamba, who was revered for his wisdom. Kwame asked, "Grandfather, how did our ancestors develop such remarkable survival skills?" Gamba smiled and began to tell a story. Long ago, in a time of drought and scarcity, our ancestors faced immense challenges. They had to navigate treacherous terrains, find food and water, and protect themselves from predators. In their quest for survival, they observed the animals of the savanna. Gamba continued. They watched the lion, known for its strength and agility, patiently stalking its prey. They saw the elephant, with its immense size and wisdom, strategically finding water sources. They learned from the resourceful ants, who stored food during abundance for times of scarcity. Through careful observation and imitation, our ancestors cultivated their own survival skills. They learned to be patient, adaptable, and resourceful. They discovered the importance of unity and cooperation within the tribe, as each member played a vital role in the collective survival. Kwame listened attentively, captivated by the wisdom embedded in the ancient story. He realized that survival was not merely about physical strength, but also about mental resilience, adaptability, and the ability to learn from nature. Inspired by his grandfather's words, Kwame embarked on a journey to hone his survival skills. He learned the art of tracking, identifying edible plants, and finding water sources. He practiced patience and observation, understanding that every challenge carried valuable lessons. Years passed, and Kwame became a skilled hunter, tracker, and respected member of the tribe. He passed on the ancient wisdom to future generations, ensuring the survival skills remained alive. This ancient African story reminds us of the resilience and ingenuity of our ancestors. It teaches us the value of observation, adaptation, and unity in navigating life's challenges. In this video we delve into the ancient African wisdom of survival skills, and explore how we can apply these lessons in our modern lives.